morning, y'all. Happy quarantine day, whatever we're on. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a homemade acai bowl right in your living room, or not living room, right in your own kitchen. Hold on. Okay, something had just popped up on my screen. So right in your own kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make an acai bowl. That way you can stay healthy and inside during quarantine and don't be out there in these streets. Okay, so let me get all the ingredients out and I'll show y'all. Okay, so I got all my ingredients out. So what you're gonna need is an acai pack. You can get these from a lot of different stores. I personally like mine from Trader Joe's. And it comes in little packets like this, but it comes in one whole bag like this. And you get 4 of these for $4. So, I mean, it's a deal because a whole bowl costs $10. Some places $12. So, you already got a steal. $1 each for a packet. A whole acai bowl right now costing you $3 probably altogether. Anyways, and then you're gonna need some bananas. You're gonna need frozen bananas, and also a non-frozen banana. I had already so what I like to do, I never eat a whole bunch of bananas like this in the time before they go bad. So once these get ripe, I'm gonna like probably only save 3 regular, like, I don't know, de-thawed ripe bananas, and then freeze the other 3. That way they don't go bad and I can use them for smoothies and things like that. So you're gonna need that. And then you need some blueberries. Blueberries are optional, bananas are not optional, okay? Well, they kind of are, but the best flavor you're gonna get is with strawberries and blueberries, okay? And an acai pack. And then a little bit of sugar. Sugar is definitely optional. Sometimes I make it with sugar, sometimes I don't. Today I'm trying to be a little extra sweet. And then you're gonna need some almond milk or whatever milk of your choice. I prefer almond milk, the Trader Joe's brand. And then some strawberries, and also some honey. I forgot to take that out, but oh, and some granola. Let me show y'all what granola I use. Honestly, my granola switches up from day to day. Right now I've currently been using the vanilla almond granola with the clusters, but I actually like to I like my granola thin, or like not as crunchy. I mean, crunchy, I don't know the word. Not as clustery. I don't know the word I'm looking for. So I'm gonna break the clusters up. But you will see when I put my bowl together. And also, obviously, a blender. So you're gonna let this acai pack sit for about 10 minutes. Or you can run it under hot water for a little bit, but you don't want it to get too melty. So I'm just gonna leave mine out for 10 minutes while I prepare the bananas and the strawberries, and my granola. And then we'll blend everything up. Okay, so now this is the part where, so my acai's been sitting out for about probably 7-8 minutes. So basically you just want to break it up in the pack into little chunks. Just kind of squeeze it or whatever. Okay, that's broken up probably good enough. Then you're gonna cut the pack open. I'm just gonna use this knife here. then just grab your blender and put it in your blender. And then you can just squeeze it out once it. Okay, just like that. My hands are cold, so I'm gonna rinse them right now in some warm water. Okay, that's not cold, sis. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like in your blender. Kind of gross, it looks like it, but I'm telling you, it tastes so bomb. I'm gonna just break up that last big chunk there because I don't want my blender to get stuck now. Okay, that should be good. Then you're gonna break up your frozen bananas as well. You know, you don't want things to get stuck up in there. And then I put about probably what would be equivalent to about half to 3/4 of a banana. I really don't calculate. That should probably be good. Let's add one more first. Just because. And then add a cool amount of frozen strawberries. I mean, strawberries. What's this called? Blueberries. Just a little, not too much. And then you're gonna add your almond milk. Not too much though, y'all, because you want this to still be thick. If you want it to be a smoothie, then obviously add more, but we're making an acai bowl. You can make acai smoothies, but I ain't doing that. I'm making a bowl. So just gonna eyeball it. Yesterday it came out literally so perfect, so hopefully I can get it like that again. Maybe just one little dab. Okay, that actually might be too much. No, we'll see. That low-key might be too much. Whatever. I usually try to add less initially because you can always go back and add more, but you can't take out. So hopefully it's not too liquidy. Bring the blender out. And we're gonna blend this up. Okay, so this is a smoothie here. I think it's gonna be a little liquidy than I would like. I shouldn't have added that last little spot. Oh wait, no, it's perfect because it's not just sliding out. Look at God. How we do it on this Good Friday. This Good Friday, by the way, when I'm recording this, y'all. Perfect, because you want it kind of like an ice cream, you know, real thick, like you need. Like that. Boom. You see that scoop of ice cream? Yeah. Oh man, I just scooped it out on the counter. I wasn't even watching. Oh well. Usually I probably would try to scoop it up, but you know, COVID's in the air right now, so we ain't gonna do that. We'll just clean it on up. So, this is what it looks like. It looks like some ice cream, right? However, I like mine a little bit more thick. So I did put a little too much milk still, even though I just said I didn't. I mean, it's still thick, but I just wanted it not as liquidy. So I'm just gonna press it all down like that. Now I'll put it in the freezer for literally probably like 5 minutes, if that. So I'll be back when I plate my stuff. Y'all, I just realized I forgot to add my sugar. But that ain't no problem. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit on top. Just like that. And then I'm gonna add my strawberries first. Just like that. Then I'm gonna do bananas in the middle. I also sometimes like to add coconut, but They was out of coconut flakes when I went to the store the other day. So I just been eating it without coconut the past few days, but I mean, it's still been good, so it's been fine. And then you're gonna add your granola. Boom. And then you can get your honey. This is honey that had the honeycomb in it. So it got the little honeycomb still left in it a little bit. So I'm gonna just dig up in here because I don't want that in my bowl, and just scoop around it. And then just drizzle it on top. And I like a lot of honey, so I'm gonna do one more scoop. Voila. And just like that, folks, you got yourself a homemade acai bowl. Let me show y'all the full profile here. Oh, hold on, let me get a better angle. Like, look at that, y'all. That looks beautiful. Wow. Can't wait to eat. Well, there you have it, a homemade acai bowl. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, CB13, and enjoy your acai bowl.